Welcome to Greece, a land of ancient myths, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant culture. Join us on a journey through time as we explore the rich history, diverse culture, and enchanting beauty of this Mediterranean paradise. Our story begins over 3,000 years ago, when ancient Greece was the cradle of Western civilization. From the birthplace of democracy in Athens to the Oracle of Delphi, Greece was a center of philosophy, art, and science that laid the foundation for modern society. Today, Greece is a vibrant and dynamic country that seamlessly blends ancient traditions with modern living. From the bustling streets of Athens to the charming villages of the Greek islands, Greece offers a unique and unforgettable experience for visitors from around the world. Greek culture is rich and diverse, with a legacy that spans thousands of years. From the lively music and dance of the Greek islands to the ancient rituals and customs that are still celebrated today, Greece's cultural heritage is as vibrant as ever. No visit to Greece would be complete without a trip to its world-famous beaches. With over 13,000 kilometers of coastline, Greece boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, from the secluded coves of the Ionian Islands to the vibrant shores of Crete. For those looking for a taste of Greek culture, shopping in Greece is a delight. From bustling markets filled with local crafts and souvenirs to chic boutiques and designer shops in the city centers, Greece offers a unique shopping experience that caters to every taste and budget. Of course, no visit to Greece would be complete without indulging in its world-renowned cuisine. From the savory flavors of moussaka and souvlaki to the sweet delights of baklava and loukoumades, Greek cuisine is a feast for the senses that reflects the country's rich history and diverse culinary traditions. As we explore the ancient ruins and archaeological sites of Greece, we are reminded of the enduring legacy of ancient Greece. From the mighty temples of Zeus and Athena to the majestic theaters of Epidaurus and Dionysus, Greece's ancient landmarks are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of its people. As the sun sets on another day in Greece, we are reminded of the timeless beauty and rich history of this ancient land. Whether exploring its ancient ruins, soaking up the sun on its beaches, or indulging in its delicious cuisine, Greece offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing to return again and again.